Hello my friends, bringing you another unboxing video. This one is a shoe manufacturer in Italy, Stefano Borella. And so I am really excited to take a look at their shoes. So they use Italian leather, it's all handcrafted. I think they use some French calf as well. But one of the key features is that they do all the hand-painted finishes. So it's all patina. As you know, I'm a big fan of patina. So let's open this up. Already the box itself is beautiful. The packaging as well really looks nice. So from the very moment I open the box, it's impressive. Really nice looking bag to carry them in. Really, these are the actual shoe bag here. So just look at beautiful finish on that. So yeah, Italian leather, hand painted, really beautiful shoe. Won't require any work from me other than maybe putting a little extra shine. And truthfully, these have quite a lot of shine just right out of the box, more so than most. So once again, just look at that. Beautiful shoe. So with the hand-painted finish, every pair is going to be slightly unique. Really beautiful. So expect to see some of these posted up very soon. Thank you so much, and yeah, appreciate it.